Now let's characterize, or in other words, retarget the metahuman skeleton to the skeletal system of MotionBuilder. Click on the skeleton button. Then click Define. Press Ctrl+A to show all bones. Let's clear checkboxes from the clothes and the rest of the geometry from the pick column, so as not to accidentally select them instead of bones. Let's start with the main root bone. Select it, then right-click on the Assign Selected Bone in the Definition tab. Keeping the cursor in the Viewer window, hold Alt and press the down arrow key to move to the next bone. Continue to assign the bones one by one. Let's assign the spine bones. Now do the same with the neck bones. Head bone. Assign the bone of the left clavicle. The right one will be assigned automatically. Upper arm bone. Lower arm bone. Hand bone needs to be selected with the mouse. To select all of the finger bones, hold the spacebar and click on the right mouse button. In the Properties tab, under Skeleton Node Settings, let's reduce the size of the bones to select them easily. Assign finger bones one by one. Hold Alt and press down arrow. Almost all of the bones of the right hand are assigned automatically. Let's finish up the rest of the bones. If it is not possible to align the perspective view, save the project and reopen it. If someone knows a better method, please let me know in the comments below. Let's continue with the thigh bone. Then calf, foot, big toe. And the big toe of the opposite foot.